actually trying candy from a Asian market. I'll be doing this in an upcoming video. So, well, let's get started. Let's try this. Oh, so much grape. It's like Sprite flavored grape, kind of. It feels like bubblegum, but it's not. It's chewy fruit candy. Oh my gosh. Weird. So weird. Oh my god. It's kind of grape filling inside, like kind of that gummish like outside. Okay, finally got it down my system. It's so chewy. Well, that's all we had for today. Well, bye.